So this majestic looking thing is called Tree of Life. This is just on the outskirts of the Olympic Peninsula, or Olympic National Park, here in Washington. Olympic National Park is potentially going to be unlike anything we've been to yet. It is a complete rainforest. So it is almost untouched. There is just nothing but amazingly tall trees, moss everywhere. It is also currently raining, as you can see, and we are going to see everything that it has to offer, hopefully. And this is just a taste. This place is actually crazy looking. It's like, how did this tree grow here? How is this still surviving? There's like a cave underneath it. Oh, this is so cool.
Whoa, look at all the rocks.
I know. It's so cool.
So someone left a pen.
Maybe someone can come and find it. This is so cool back here.
Yeah.
Little trickle. This is a huge tree. On the way down here, the path is blocked off. You have to go like an alternate route, but it's because the stairs look like this. Apparently, super extremely high tides completely wrecked the staircase. So now you have to walk probably a quarter mile or so down the beach and then come on and walk all the way over. But yeah, still incredibly close to the parking lot. The trees here grow in such weird ways. Like, look at these branches. So wild looking. Like we had just mentioned, we are at Olympic National Park. The main places that we are trying to go is called Hoh Rainforest, H-O-H Rainforest, and it looks absolutely incredible. There is a little bit of sun poking out way over there, direct sunlight. Glowing off the water.
It's literally the most beautiful place you've ever seen in your life.
So, ooh, perfect timing. I pressed record and it turns green.
Up until a month or two ago, the only road into the Hoh Rainforest was completely washed out. Luckily, the county or the city or the state or whoever was really on it, and they got it up and running again. So that's really good.
Welcome to the campsite for the night. We are in the middle of this majestic rainforest. I mean, you can't beat this. This may be one of the all-time best. The only thing that would have been made it better is there is a path right over here that we were trying to go down, but I ended up walking over there, used the stick to kind of test the depth of these puddles and these ruts, and it's just a little bit too much than I want to risk today. But if we were able to go down here, this leads to the riverbed. But I mean, look at this though. Oh my gosh. It's even got that light drizzle going right now, hence why my lens has raindrops on it, as you can see. But it's gorgeous. It's so peaceful. Go, Dolly. Nothing like sleeping in a rainforest for the night.
Not a bad view.
I know. Today is the day that we go explore Olympic National Park. So we need to eat some food, get some snacks, and then we're only like a mile from the entrance. So we just need to go and explore.
We only have one mug, so we have to share.
Yeah. But it's a vibe as we're chilling in the rainforest. What do you think, Dolly? Huh? We are doing the Hall of Mosses hiking trail, and it's a little rainy. It's a little rainy in the rainforest. Who would have guessed? Look at this water. It's so clear. You just like see all these plants underneath. This kind of feels like redwoods if the redwoods was also a rainforest. And look at how tall these things are. So what do you think so far?
I think this is going to knock redwoods out of top contenders for best national parks. I don't know.
It is really cool here.
The little like arms with the moss growing on them is just so different than anything I've ever seen before.
I think perfect scenario would be if it's raining, but not quite as hard as it is right now. If it was like a sprinkle versus like an actual rain, it would be perfect, but this is great. Look at this weird stump. It's flat.
Oh yeah, what the heck?
This place is so cool. There's so many rings on this thing. Look at how tall that is compared to you. So these spruce trees that are here, they're called Sitka spruce trees. And a combination of all the rain, the fog coming off the Pacific, these can reach up to 300 feet tall with like an average height of like, what did it say, 220?
Yeah.
Isn't that insane? Like we were saying that these trees are, some of them look just as big as a redwood. And I mean, I guess they are huge. Redwoods are still taller, but
Redwoods are thicker too.
yeah, they're way thicker.
Some of these are thick, but some of them are pretty skinny too.
Yeah, but I mean, look at this. These trees are so incredible here. Like it's just the feeling of, how do you describe that?
How do you describe it?
Just the like feeling that you get when you are like in a place like this.
It's just like truly different than anything we've ever been to. Like it has the tree feeling of the redwoods or sequoias, but the water and like the raininess of the coast, maybe? I don't know.
Yeah.
It's just different.
After finishing our hike, we went back to the van to dry off, get something to eat, when all of a sudden there was a massive crash and thud to the point where I thought that somebody directly next to us had crashed into a car. But that wasn't the case, and instead we saw this.
Okay, this is wild. We just heard a crash and a crunch, and this huge tree branch just collapsed off of the top of that tree. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wonder if that car over there got any damage. Oh, they definitely got dinged up. You don't see this every day. I'll say that's for sure. There it is. Olympic National Park. Woo! Yeah, seriously, this is so cool here. All right, we have teleported to Cape Flattery. This is the northwesternmost point of the 48 states. There's a parking lot and it's about 0.6 miles or something like that hike all the way down to the tip. So that's what we're doing right now. Hopefully, I'm really hoping that the sun comes out to play because it's pretty dark right now. And I really want to be able to see some cool sun. That'll be awesome. These trees aren't quite as big as what they were in Olympic National Park, but my goodness, they're still so awesome. And it looks like this one has vines coming off of it, but they're tree branches. It is looking like it's gonna be amazing. I can see some sky and the sun is out. There's a fork. There's a little observation point, looks like. Let's see what it looks like over here first. Oh my. Yes, please. The sky is actually opening up over there. This is amazing. This is incredible. Look at this. We're not even at the point yet. Let's go all the way over. It's so cool. The last little bit of these trails are both these wood planks. Oh man, this is so cool. Wow. Here it is. Here's the tip.
That's what I've been waiting for.
This place is so cool. I mean, it was this whole place is like amazing. We have been spending the last like hour and a half probably talking to this guy. His name was Rory.
He's like
Absolutely
goals.
amazing.
We want to be Rory when we grow up.
He doesn't have a cell phone. He doesn't have social media. He has an email that I got, so I'm like, I want to keep in contact with you. He like backpacks all over the place and just like long backpacking trips. He just finished biking through all of Montana and Washington and is just living it up. So entertaining, so fun to talk to him. But the coastlines, woo, incredible.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think?
I think this is the best view we've seen this entire trip by far. Like,
Yeah.
no questions asked.
Now we get to walk back with a headlamp.
Luckily, I had the foresight to bring a headlamp, so you're welcome.